going to be covering in this video is how to embed Google Maps as well as Google Street View onto your website. So as you can see, I have Index open right now. I'm going to save this as contact since we'll be using maps, just for example's sake. After I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and close the original index file down so I don't accidentally modify that. And what we're going to be doing here is replacing this iframe, which was originally a banner, to a Google map. And I'm going to show you also how to put a street view video in this area below when we, of course, insert a column to do so. So what we do is just again go to Google. I'll type in Conestoga College. Go to Maps. And once you're here, you should notice an option to, when you click the little hamburger menu here, share or embed map. Embed map. Custom size. Now, the thing is, I don't believe Google Maps will allow you to put a percentage, so we'll manually do that in the code afterwards. So we're going to do 100, or it's going to default to 200 since it's its minimum, by 350 in height, which we want. We will click it to copy it, press Ctrl C. We're going to go back to Dreamweaver now. And what we're going to do is replace this. So I showed you in the last time how we can delete and insert HTML. I'm going to show you how you can do it on the code end this side too. So we've clicked this iframe. We can see this is the line of code for it. So we just replace it. We can see it's in the main. Control V. And you'll notice now it's like this. So it's got the height we want, but not the width. But we have a class already, which we made called banner in the previous tutorials. And that can be used to accomplish the same thing, because remember, the banner rule has 100% width by 350 pixels, which would give us this. A nice interactive map that shows your location. And of course what we'll do next is Google Street View. So there's probably not a whole lot to see at Conestoga, but we can at least go, for example, onto Dune Valley or Conestoga Boulevard. You can see the college to some degree here. Of course, if you're your own business, you'd have something a little easier to see. You can see the old gym there. You can see this 3 dashes right there. Click that. We're going to share or embed the image. And we'll just do, say, 350 by 350. Press Ctrl C. Go back to Dreamweaver. What we need to do is set up a space here for it. So we're going to right click, insert rows or columns, column after the current selection. We will give it a width of, say, 400, just so there's a little bit of spacing in between it. And then we're going to insert our HTML, with of course removing those brackets, pasting it in, and oh sorry, it was 350. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and preview that we have now our maps and our street view. We're not going to worry too much on the layout here, because in a later lab and tutorial we'll convert this into the contact form. But this is just to give you an idea of how you can embed interactive maps as well as interactive street view.